Good morning, dear students. Good morning, all of you. Dear students, this is a video of class 10, and in this video, we are going to deal with the topic, and that one is graphite. As you all know, we are actually discussing about the topic. That one is actually allotropes, one of the allotropes of carbon, and that one is graphite. Okay, na? As you all know, that graphite is the allotropes of carbon, and whose color is black, one of the opaque substance through that you cannot see. Okay, now you cannot see from one side to another side, as it is a grayish black opaque substance, and this is also known as black lead. Okay, now this is the second allotropes of carbon. Here it is written, this is the second allotropes of carbon. Okay, now first allotropes of carbon is diamond, second is graphite. A graphite is a structurally aggregate of carbon atom. Okay, na? This one is the carbon aggregates. If the carbon, various types of carbon, if we will combine together, then we will actually get the graphite. Okay, na? In the diamond, you had seen the structure, and in the this one in the graphite, the hexagonal structure would be there. We will talk about, and we will see one of the diagram for that one also. Here you can see that it occurs in nature in the free state and found in nature most widely than diamond that actually exists in the free state, and mainly it is actually found in India and many other countries also, China, Russia, Siberia, okay na? And USA, Sri Lanka, South Korea, okay na? So we will talk about in detail about this topic, about the graphite that can also be a conductor of electricity. When you will draw the structure of the graphite, you will find one of the electron will free. Okay, na? So it will conduct the electricity also. Here you can see the structure of graphite. The most important uh, that one is structure, and a structure of graphite, it is a hexagonal rings. A hexagonal ring, it is hexagonal rings means many of the rings are there, many of the rings, not only one ring would be there, but various types of ring. Hexagonal means what? Six sides. Okay, na? And six sides will attach with one another to form a thin sheet like arrangement. Okay, na? Which are formed when each carbon atom is linked to other three carbon atoms. In the diamond, you had seen about that the one carbon is attached with the four other links. Okay, na? But here you can see this one is attached with the three carbon atoms through covalent bond, okay na? This is important thing you should know. Okay na? Then after here, yes, it is written that these rings fuse together to form two-dimensional layer. These rings actually fuse together to form two-dimensional, not the three-dimensional, and the various layers are joined together through weak forces, which are called the van der Waals forces of attraction. Okay, now so you can see here. Okay, so we will see the structure, everything you have understood about. Now we will actually make one diagram for that one. Hexagonal structure means you can see this type of a structure, means this one is the hexagonal structure. At every joint one carbon is there. So how many carbon? Six carbon. Okay na? And from this position, if I am talking about this carbon, you can make again the same structure. So again and again you will make this same structure. From this carbon also, you will make the same structure. So you can see, if I am talking about this carbon, how many link it has? One, two, three. So three carbon, but carbon has four electron, 1 2 3 4. So one electron will be free for every carbon. If I will join from here, we will make the same structure. Okay, na? This one same structure. Then again this carbon would have three. So that's why it is a reason for conducting of electricity in this case. And you have seen the this one is the hexagonal structure it will form. Now the properties of graphite. Graphite has medium density, okay, no, lower than diamond, and diamond has the compact structure. Diamond has the compact structure, but the graphite has somewhat porous structure, so it has medium density, lower than diamond. It is a good conductor of electricity. The reason I have given, as the fourth electron is free to move here and there, so that's why we can say it can conduct electricity. It is soft and slippery. Why? What is the reason of soft and slippery nature? You can see the soft and slippery nature is due to the seat like structure. Okay, now it is slippery because various layers of carbon atoms are joined together through weak van der Waals forces. Okay, now actually, you know that layers of carbon atoms are joined together, so weak van der Waals force of attraction is there. That means weak means what? We can actually move, it can slide over one another, na? It can slide over one another, so that's why slippery. It is opaque and black. Again, as it is, we cannot see through that one, na, from one side to another side. So this one is opaque and black. It is black means all the light it will absorb. Okay, na? Therefore it cannot reflect light. Okay, so that you have to understand that these are the properties of graphite. Now then, after usage of graphite, the graphite, you are using the pencil, and that pencil is actually having the black lead, and that one is one of the uses of graphite. It is used in the preparation of printing press ink. Yes, it is used in the preparation of printing press ink, and it is used in the preparation of dry lubricants, which is used in machines for removing the friction also. Okay, and it is used in the preparation of graphite grease. It is used in the preparation of graphite grease. So that you can use for removing some of the frictions also. And lower for, actually grease is to use to remove some of the corrosion, so that you can use for that purpose grease. It is used in the designing of electrode. Yes, na, electrode, graphite rod in the electrolytic current, in the electrolytic conduction of electricity. We sometimes use here like that one. Here beaker is there, and here we actually take this kind of electrode. Here electrolyte would be there. So why we are taking this one? We are taking for conducting electricity. Okay, now this one is made up of graphite. Okay, now why? Because we know that graphite will allow the electricity to pass through that one, so that's why we are actually taking and making this electrode from the graphite. This is essential. Okay, now so in every electrolytic cells we are actually taking electrode, one of cathode, one of anode. Okay, na? And that together, both of that cathode and anode we are actually making from the graphite. Okay, na? And next one, it is used in the designing of carbon paper. Carbon paper, so that carbon paper is actually made up of graphite. Okay, na, dear students, so these all the uses are there, and this is the slide, this is the video for only graphite. Okay, dear students, I hope you have understood. Thank you all of you.